might be wondering, why do we die painless and see a light? Well,
The National Weather Service in Elkhart, Indiana, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Elkhart, Chicago, and South Bend. Instructions apply. Go indoors, have a weather radio with you for further updates, hide somewhere with protection, go into an area in your house that has no windows, and collect batteries for radios. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning in your area. Take cover now.
your answer for that question.